So you walk in the front door. They got all the framing down here. That's not bigger. Vents on the floor. I won't show you inside the toilet, it's not glamorous. Paint looks good, I like the color. Anything you want to say, Mom?